GMT basically rose 42.29% in 7 days, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Will control GMT's sort of current cost activities in an unobtrusive manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN explicitly is floating at $688,912,110, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Current STEPN cost in every practical sense is $0.62 the 4th of June 2023. In this video we will in every way that really matters walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now and basically attempt to answer these often essentially got clarification on some pressing issues. What for the most part is especially transient cost expectation for STEPN truly is GMT a generally excellent interest in an unobtrusive manner. STEPN support and opposition levels, and so on, showing how GMT explicitly rose 42.29% in 7 days. In any case, prior to jumping essentially profound into the GMT specialized examination, especially let us most certainly discuss the sort of current economic situation. So STEPN support and opposition levels, and so on, showing how GMT by and large rose 42.29% in 7 days, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours. There generally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to $1,149,802,649,559, or so they really thought. The especially complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $19,987,677,932 in an especially enormous manner. Bitcoin shares 45.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%, which in a real sense is very critical, which really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,205.78 level after a vertical development of 0.07%. In every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 0.5% coming to $1,903.61 during the past 24 hours. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.13. Following a value change of 0.28% within a similar time period, which generally is genuinely critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they sort of thought. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market essentially is going in a kind of descending heading for in every practical sense, present moment, which by and large is very critical. Right now, a general commonly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a significant manner. STEPN backing and opposition backing and obstruction sort of are significant specialized pointers used to in every practical sense, recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, showing how XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP, essentially is up by 3.45 and at present exchanging at 54 cents, or so they especially thought. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers for the most part become kind of more beautiful dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how STEPN support and obstruction levels, and so on, showing how GMT in every way that really matters, rose 42.29% in 7 days, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN fundamentally is at 62 cents, up 4.63% in the beyond 24 hours, and in a real sense has a value change of 42.29% over the course of the week in an unobtrusive manner. 1-day exchanging volume for BTC by and large is $688,912,110.00 while kind of complete market cap came to $369,248,871 showing that 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN essentially is drifting at $688,912,110 in a fundamentally significant manner. There especially are very nearly 600 million by and large are available for use out of 6 billion in a kind of huge manner. STEPN value examination GMT cost investigation for the 4th of June 2023 inside and in every practical sense. Day-to-day time period generally made sense of beneath, showing how these occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market truly is going in a very descending heading for sort of present moment, which for the most part is very huge. We utilize commonly relative strength index, moving sort of normal intermingling and dissimilarity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including sort of basic moving in every way that really matters, normal and dramatic moving kind of normal to especially break down the future development of the stepn, exhibiting how similarly opposition explicitly is a level at which vendors especially become move genuinely dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how 24-hour exchanging volume for stepn all things considered is floating at $688,912,110, which explicitly is very huge. The truly relative strength list shows that the GMT coin basically is close oversold zone, as RSI explicitly is at 37 in an exceptionally large manner, while GMT's Williams %R marker in a real sense is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. The exchange commonly signal in a real sense is by and large conceivable at this reach. So support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become most certainly more genuinely dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how stepn support and obstruction levels and so on, showing how GMT for the most part rose 42.29% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. The MACD line generally is remaining underneath of the sort of sine line after a hybrid, exhibiting how stepn backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized markers used to for the most part recognize extremely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP, really is up by 3.45 and presently exchanging at 54 cents, which in a real sense is very huge. STEPN financial backers need to especially hang tight for any directional change over the very day-to-day outline, showing that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.13, following a value change of 0.28% within a similar time period in an unobtrusive manner. According to the cost examination, the GMT cost may sort of track down help at these critical degrees of 54 cents. 48 cents. Moving underneath these levels could generally carry the cost to 43 cents. So as of now, a truly broad, essentially bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which in every practical sense is very huge. On the really opposite side, the obstruction levels essentially are at 65 cents and 70 cents, exhibiting that while GMT's Williams %R marker certainly is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition, an exchange truly signaled generally is certainly conceivable at this reach. So support especially is a level at which purchasers generally become genuinely more exceptionally dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how stepn support and obstruction levels and so on, showing how GMT by and large rose 42.29% in 7 days in an unpretentious way. A bullish breakout from the above levels may lead the cost to the 75 cents, exhibiting that various elective digital currency, as ETHEREUM fundamentally has seen a cost increment of 0.5% coming to $1,903.61 during the past 24 hours, or so they especially thought, and STEPN market by and large gives a bullish indications. And bulls can in a real